Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have Poco F6 and I want to show you how clean up cache and data on this device. Open Settings application. In it we look for Apps selection, and there we tap on Manage Apps, and there we have list of our all application. Now we must find application which we want to clear. Maybe AliExpress and their storage. To clear all storage, we press clear data and we clear it, but there we don't have any storage. I search something else. Maybe our... I don't know, we have list of our all application, and it isn't easy to find something. Maybe we our Facebook, and there we don't have storage too. Gmail application, storage, and to clear it we press on clear cache, and confirm by OK we clear only cache, but to clear all data we press clear all data and confirm by OK and we clear all data. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.